Welcome to the OPUS Hybrid Caravan Packdown video, where we'll show you the simple process from beginning to end. We'll be using the OP13 bunk bed layout to demonstrate this video. However, the same process applies to the OP13 and various other layouts as well. The first step in packing down your OPUS Hybrid Caravan starts in the interior with the king-size bed. Fold up the mattress and ensure it's left close to the edge, as you'll need space to fold down the rear walls. You can leave your bedding on the mattress when it's folded. Simply fold out or fold away with the mattress accordingly. Release the latch and locking pin on both sides of the rear exterior wall. Gently lower the wall on top of the bed base. Then lift the bed base and secure into position by pressing the clips on the top corners. Next, have one hand taking the weight of the exterior roof and use your other hand to swing the exterior walls shut. Secure the walls into place by turning the latch. Gently lower the roof and secure into place by pressing both clips at the bottom. Before you move the jerry can holders back into place, ensure the spring lock is pulled back, as this will make securing them much easier. Secure both jerry can holders with the spring locks. Now, raise the two spare tyres and secure with the two latches. Move to the top front compartments and collect the two screws for the spare tyres. Make your way back to the rear and tighten both screws so that the spare tyres are well secured. Now make your way inside the caravan and move to the rear section. Remove the pins from the rear roof lifter and keep them close. You'll need them in a moment. Now lay down underneath the roof lifter with your back on the mattress and pull downwards. When lowering the handle, keep fingers clear of the arms on roof to prevent getting caught. The rear half of the roof is now fully down. Remember to secure the roof lifter with the pins you removed earlier. Next, make your way to the front of the caravan. Depending on your hybrid's layout, you may need to access the front lifter lever next to the kitchen sink, above the front bed, or through the ensuite. Open the door to the ensuite and make your way inside. Grab hold of the steel handle and pull downwards. The roof to your hybrid caravan is now fully down. Make your way to the control panel located in the top section above the wardrobe. Please note that the control panel location will vary depending on the layout you have. Press the buttons that you no longer require. Make your way outside the caravan. Unhook the door, then close it. Push in and retract the step. Gather the locking pins for the roof latches from the top front compartment. Then move around your hybrid and secure all four latches. Ensure you secure with the locking pins after the latch is pulled down. Grab your winder handle, located in the front compartment of your hybrid, then move around and raise all four stabilizer legs and lock them into the travel position. To speed up the process of lowering and raising the stabilizer legs, try using a cordless drill with the correct attachment. It's recommended that you leave the wheel chocks in place until your OPUS hybrid caravan is connected to your vehicle. Once that's done, then store them in your front compartment, ready for use next time. Congratulations! Your OPUS hybrid caravan is now fully packed down and ready to travel to your next destination.